Welcome to Animal Lovers. Today we're going to be showcasing the urban pigeon. I always see these pigeons but never really pay them no attention. I thought this pigeon was pretty cool, black and white, very unique. When it comes to food, it's easy to think pigeons just get lucky, but their ability to find food in a concrete jungle is actually a masterclass in behavioral adaptation. They aren't just scavengers, they are highly efficient urban foragers with a specific toolkit. Pigeons always know where the food is. They aren't looking for it, they're simply waiting for it. Pigeons can digest everything from bread, fries, to discarded pizza crust and spilled grains. Also, they have an unusually unique salt tolerance. Pigeons are world-class navigators. They can find their way back to their nest from over 1,300 miles away. Unlike most birds, both male and female pigeons produce a nutrient-rich substance called crop milk to feed their young. While on the sidewalk, pigeons can look uncoordinated. In the air, they are athletes. A racing pigeon can reach speeds up to 90 miles per hour. Fun fact, pigeons are actually rock doves. We only call them pigeons because of the French word pigeon, but they are biologically the same as white doves we associate with peace and weddings.